this video, we're going to demonstrate how to set up customer company preferences. Go to File, go to Preferences, choose Company, go down to the Customers tab. The first section is to use with QuickBooks. This will cause all the customer information to be synced with QuickBooks Desktop Financial software. Consider the effect on list limits in QuickBooks Desktop Financial when enabling this feature. The customer tracking options will require the clerk to enter a name on the sale receipt. Consider creating a customer called Cash Customer if this feature is enabled. If the customer is using Constant Contact, enter the login information to use the email marketing feature inside the Customer Center. With the customer type, create customer types that can be selected in a customer record, providing additional filtering capabilities. Once you have set your preferences up, click Save, and this takes you out to the home screen. And that concludes our video on how to set up customer preferences.